And I get this LOL surprise doll.
Yeah. This is the boy edition.
Yeah, this is the boy edition.
We get lots of toys, so we will be on for many different types. Huh. What do you want to say to the kids, babe?
And I got this toy surprise doll.
Series 2.
And we got series 2. And the toy will be mine.
Yes, it will. You go ahead and talk to the camera while
And
wrap.
building anywhere I want, and I was scared, and I need to know something because I can be you. And can we do understand? Oh, really good.
Just have a little conversation with one of you. Maybe a bunch of you.
And now.
All right, here's the outside. This is what's underneath it. You want to show them what's underneath? For those of you who aren't familiar, just kind of.
Look at this.
Yeah. Now let me take off that layer. Got a little zip with a basketball on it. Boop.
It says unbox me.
Mm-hmm. Lots of layers. Can you talk to the camera while I do this?
And something will be mine or something.
We got another layer.
And we got something. Like,
Show them the layer, babe. Show them the layer.
look at this.
Oh, and did you see that? It came right out of here.
And it's a bottle. Can you open it?
Sure. Halloween colors. Show them, babe.
We got a glitter bottle. It looks like kind of like a pinkish, and it's kind of like a shadow, but it's kind of like a different pink.
Yeah, like the gray is like a shadow. It's like a sparkly shadow, huh?
Yeah, and it's a bottle. Oh no, I can't see them. No, I can't see them now.
There you go. There's another one. Here, show them. Show them as you're doing it.
And I got more layers.
Okay, we're gonna open up. So I guess there's 2 of them, and on these. So first, we're gonna do this one. It's okay. It's okay. We'll get used to it over time. Step by step, right? You're doing great. Here's another one.
Blue shoes. These are kind of like a blue shadow, but it's kind of where are my other shoes?
That's good.
Right here.
Here?
Right here.
Okay. Here, show the camera really close what they look like.
And this is
See?
kind of
good glittery blue shoes.
it's kind of like a different gold, and it has a little bit of silver and a big blue in it.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a different, but it's kind of like a different like that.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like different like that or something.
It's kind of different like that.
Like the shoes.
All right, now here's the next one she was trying to get into. Let's do this one next. Oh, here, I'll take your trash. Put the shoes there. Perfect. What happened to the bottle?
And the bottle's right here.
Oh, great. And then here's the secret message. Show it to the camera.
And it's kind of like a pizza, and it says like pizza drinking. Pizza party.
Yeah, and you know what you do, babe? Show it real close. Ooh. Pizza party. See how the camera can see it?
Pizza party.
Yes, babe. So, yeah, put it right here. Keep them together, and then we'll. Now this is the one that's coming out of here. I do singing bowls. That's what she's talking about. When I was doing a third eye singing bowl, I did that in my video. It's been a long day, as you can tell. Okay. Well, we wanted to get her channel started. Ooh. Show the camera. Show the kids. Let me get it. Cute. You can show them one at a time.
It's kind of like a glittery score, but it's glittery. It's good.
Yeah,
It's
like,
very stylish, but it has a little pants in it.
yeah, it's very stylish, isn't it?
And it has pants and a top.
Yeah, and you
And
know
then-
what we can do here, which will be really nice, just to kind of let them enjoy it. Kind of put it up real close, make sure the light catches it real nice, so you can just see the outfit.
Yeah? Okay.
Oh, love it! I'm already excited. Boys in pink.
Boys in pink.
Awesomeness. Get it, strong girl. Woohoo! Go ahead and show the camera as you're doing it so they can see the whole process. I'm going to show them. See, she broke it in half. Look, baby. Look, see, show the camera.
Wow.
Broke it in half. This is clearly our first video, but that's okay. Show them the checklist. Whenever you're done.
Yes.
Okay, you done? So these are all the different boys you can get. Aren't they just the cutest? So we've got this guy. Oh, so cute. Here's the back of the checklist here. For those of you who've been thinking about getting the
we
LOL
got
boys.
socks pattern. We got socks pattern. It's kind of like a different boy, but it's a girl. It's a pretty like a doll, and it has socks.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a different hair. It's kind of like an orange hair.
Yeah, orange glittery hair. Beautiful. And then we've got these deep, like, turquoise eyes. Go ahead and show the camera his eyes.
Pee.
He's got a little pee-pee. Does he really? Yep, he's anatomically correct. He's got the pee-pee and the, you know, all the stuff.
Like,
Nothing wrong with that. You got a little butt, too. All right. Wasn't expecting that, but
and
here it is.
We got more surprises.
Yes. Oh, he's going to look so cute in his outfit.
There you go.
All right, and these are all still coming out of the ball.
And this is a little keychain you're holding.
Show him this. Look, he's got wings. Show the camera.
Look at this. It's kind of like this glittery silver. Oops.
There you go.
It's kind of like a glittery silver, but it's silver, but it's not orange. It's just silver and a little bit of sparkles.
Yeah.
And there's something like that Bonnie's heart or sorry.
Okay. Or he just went there, but that's okay. All right, now go ahead and put it there. One more thing, and we'll get him dressed.
We got glasses.
Show the camera.
It's kind of like a glittery pink.
Yeah.
But it's the, I want to see.
Look, watch, see how you hold it up? Well, honey, your channel's gotta grow with time, and then you can see the kids, okay?
I just know when they're not glittery.
All right.
Never.
Anything else, or okay? And then we've got, you know, he'll go in here, right? You can put him in there.
No.
Oh.
We're supposed to do this. So we have to put this right here.
By the way, guys, she's 5. Her name's Carmen. I should have started out with that.
And you can probably put this like this.
Yeah.
And you can put it.
Oh, that's okay. We'll figure it out. So basically, guys, you just put it together, and this will be his little holder, and you carry it around. We'll figure that out later. Now let's get him dressed.
Now I can get him dressed. No.
Here, we'll do that on camera too as well. Okay, we're gonna get him dressed. We're gonna get him dressed. You trying on his sunglasses? Oh, look at him. Look at him.
And with his arms, it's not sticking out.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I didn't put it on all the way. We're filming at night, which is why it's a bit dark. We'll try to do more
And
daytime
put his pants.
videos. But I thought this would be a great way to start her channel with a boy.
And
LOL doll.
pants.
Time for his pants.
The
Oh, that's nice and easy. Just slip it on, slip it on. What do you think, babe? You love him?
Yeah.
Look at him.
Wow.
Yeah.
And can we put his blue shoes?
Yes. I like how it's a pink outfit and blue shoes.
Like,
Alright. And it's all glittery. His hair, his outfit, his little shoes. That's good. Want to hold him for the camera? Just talk to him for a minute? I'll get it. Oh, you can get it? Oh, okay, go ahead.
and you can get it.
Yeah. Okay.
It's kind of like a different as what. Look at that. Look at that glittery dress. I really hold it real close.
Yeah, and make sure the light gets it too, because then they can see him better. All right, got his other shoe. I think he's slipping away. All right. Ta-da! There's the shoes.
I need to put his glasses.
I know LOL boys are fairly new, so I hope this is fun for you guys who've been thinking about getting one. She picked it totally on her own. I suggested it like a few months ago, but she wasn't interested today. She picked it on her own, and I was like, this is the day we should start her channel. Oh, wonderful. Elton John vibes for sure. Show the camera with his sunglasses, babe. Here, we step by step, because, you know, they want to see it too. You know what I mean?
I'm going.
Major Elton John vibes. So funny I didn't get that till you put on sunglasses.
So duh. Look at.
Oops. Okay.
Can you put them
Yeah, sure, baby. All right, so we got his. Oh, that's okay. We'll just fix them. They were upside down. Major Elton John, like a little baby Elton John. Cute. Look at him with his little.
Put in his hand.
Huh?
I just put in his hand.
Now let's put his wings on. Let me get his wings, baby. Baby, can you just wait a second? Thank you. All right, because we don't want stuff flying around. There's like these little stretchy kind of elastic bands to get the wings on, but you gotta put the wings on, right? You gotta have a full outfit here for this. Oh, honey, that guitar's out of tune.
You say?
That guitar is not good. We gotta fix it. It's broken. That's easier to say, huh? All right, here's his wings. Look at his wings. Come on, you want to show him now that he's all finished?
Well, now he can fly.
Pizza party.
You're supposed to do right.
Oh, also show the bottle in the hand if you don't want it in the mouth. That's a good idea.
Now ta-da. Now he can go fly around.
Ta-da! Bye, everyone. Come say bye, honey.
Bye!
Yeah.
Can we do